Flamboyant birds are known for their vibrant and colorful plumage, often displaying intricate patterns and striking hues. These birds use their flamboyant feathers as a form of display during courtship rituals, attracting mates and symbolizing vitality and health. Here are the top 5 best flamboyant birds to catch your eye.
Number 1.
Peacocks are known for their stunningly beautiful and flamboyant appearance, with iridescent blue and green feathers that form an extravagant train. Males, known as peacocks, use their vibrant plumage to attract peahens during mating displays, showcasing their impressive feathered tails in a ritualistic dance. These regal birds are also revered in various cultures and symbolize beauty, pride, and luxury around the world. I'm a peacock, I'm fancy.
Number 2.
Some ducks, like the mandarin duck, stand out for the vibrant and intricate plumage, adorned with striking colors and patterns. These ducks have a unique and eye-catching appearance, often featuring iridescent blues, greens, purples, and oranges that make them a popular subject for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts. The flamboyant display of male ducks is used to attract females during courtship rituals, showcasing their colorful feathers as a symbol of strength and genetic fitness.
Number 3.
Parrots are known for their brilliant and colorful plumage, which includes a wide range of hues such as red, greens, blues, and yellows. These birds are playful and social in nature, often engaging in vocal displays and acrobatic behaviors. In addition to their striking appearance, parrots are highly intelligent and are capable of mimicking human speech, making them popular pets and attractions in aviaries and zoos. Parrots have a long lifespan, with some species living up to 80 years, making them a long-term commitment for those who choose to bring them into their homes. They can also be really loud, and you might kind of feel like, only 80 more years of this, huh?
Number 4.
Hummingbirds are small, colorful birds known for their unique ability to hover in midair and fly backwards, forwards, and upside down. They're named for their humming sound created by the rapidly flapping wings, which can beat up to 80 times per second. 80 times per second, that's just showing off. Hummingbirds have a specialized diet of nectar and insects, relying on their long, slender beaks and tongues to extract nectar from flowers. These tiny birds are essential pollinators, playing a crucial role in plant reproduction and ecosystem health.
Number 5.
Flamingos are elegant and distinctive birds known for their long, slender necks, vibrant pink feathers, and iconic S-shaped posture. They're often found in large flocks in shallow coastal waters, where they wade and feed on algae, shrimp, and other small aquatic creatures. Flamingos get their pink coloration from the carotenoid pigments in the foods they consume, which include beta-carotene found in algae and crustaceans. These social birds are known for their elaborate courtship displays, synchronized movements, and loud vocalizations, making them a spectacle to observe in their natural habitats. These flamboyant birds captivate us with their vibrant colors, intricate patterns, and dazzling displays. These feathered creatures serve as a reminder of the beauty and diversity found in the natural world, leaving a lasting impression on those fortunate enough to witness their striking presence.